The continuous downpour in Cebu for the past days resulted to floodings and landslides in Cebu's metro cities. For more details, we have Alan Domingo of GMA Regional TV, Balitang Bisdak Live. Alan.
Tech, because of the heavy downpour experienced in Cebu, Pag-asa issued the red rainfall advisory and warned the communities of floodings. In Cebu City, a big part of the mountain caved in and covered the road in the mountain barangay of Agsungot. Authorities believe that the landslide was a result of the successive rains and maybe due to the 6.6 magnitude quake that hit Masbate last August 18.
Nami gikuan lagi ini nga kaning amo lang ni ipakware kay tungod kay hapit kada tuig labi na kusog kayo ang uwan magsige ni siya garya.
Cebu City officials together with a senior geologist of the Mines and Geosciences Bureau inspected the area last Thursday.
I-check po na to asa ni na aning fracturing, no? It's either if nabatay presence of structure, so mo na mga details na kailangan namo i-research sa office sa available maps namo like existing namo na geologic maps.
The City Council's Committee on Infrastructure will be submitting a recommendation.
Akong kanon ipabot ang report kang mayor, no? Total closure kita dire, temporary total closures. For the meantime, based on the assessment sa atong MGB, no, dili pa gyud siya feasible safety nga agian ng dalan.
The heavy downpour also resulted to flooding in Sitio Tungdon, Barangay Basak in LAPU-LAPU City. A 15-year-old male resident was electrocuted when he waded through rain water and accidentally touched the grounded electric post. Kent Vincent Hilig was immediately brought to the hospital.
Nakita man ko nga nagsiga ang puste. Mutong nisyagit ko nga kanang sunog tabang mutong namata kung uyuan ni tabang og kanang bubo sa kurente niya. Paniduol man siya diri dapit mao to na ni ground siya.
Nisyagit ang anak ka. Hala lay na lumos di. Didali ko ambak sa CR di. Dagan ko ngadto kay akong giluwas. Sus karon ni ana siya ni ana. Di pagdagan ko akong gikuptan anak. Ni kurog mo ko di atras ko di. Kato sa kamigo na ko nagdagko hit.
The personnel of the concerned electric company immediately acted on the problem. In MANDAUE City, some residents in 3 sitios of Barangay Pacnaan were evacuated last August 19. This was a preemptive measure by the MANDAUE City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office when flood water levels were thigh deep. Strong currents were also observed in Butuanon River.
Riprap usa na siya sa flood control mitigation at kuan na siya pero overflow gid ang tungod sa dako bulog nga tubig so gid siya lang balay.
When the floodwater subsided before midnight, residents returned to their houses. In TALISAY City, residents of Purok 3 in Barangay Puo complained of floodwaters that have not subsided for the past 2 weeks. They blame the structural development in their area that blocked the waterway. Since the deluge experienced 2 weeks ago, the area remained submerged in rainwater. The house of Lito Manigos was one of the 12 houses affected by floods in their area.
Kani gid diri mo gini agian ang gid tubig na latanon gyud sa gikan dito sa sa kanal.
The neighbors helped each other by making a temporary canal or opening for the stagnant water to pass through. In a meeting with the TALISAY City Mayor Samsam Gulyas, developers promised to take care of the drainage of nearby subdivisions they're working on to solve the flooding. Tech, unlike the past few days, Cebu has experienced fair weather conditions today, but the local disaster office is urging people living in the flood and landslide-prone areas to remain vigilant. Tech.
Thank you, Alan Domingo.